Hey y'all, check out this portable welder. So let's get this thing out of the case and see what it's all about. So this comes with pretty much everything you need to get started. And you can see how small this is. This is not much bigger than a drill. It plugs into the wall here, and here's your grounding clamp. This is 110, so that's easy. It'll plug into any outlet, so you don't have to worry about having a 220 outlet or anything. It plugs directly into 110. And this takes sticks, because it's a stick welder, and it actually comes with welding sticks. And the adjustments from 3/32 to 1/8 inch rods, so it'll adjust to any other size rods too, not just the ones that came with it. It also has gloves that come with it, instruction manual, wire brush, a little tack hammer there too, and it also comes with darkening goggles as well. And these will automatically darken when it detects the first spark. That's really cool. This also comes with a little shield. You can use that as well. And this thing is really lightweight, just over 3 pounds to hold. And the adjustment here for putting your welding rods is right there. On and off switch. Activation buttons right there, just like a drill. Power on and off. And it has the little inverter down here that you plug in. Your clamp, your grounding clamp right there. Take one of the welding rods out, and it just goes right in there like that. And that's all you got to do to get started. So let's go see this thing in action. Just going to give a quick demonstration of how this works. It's pretty simple. You got your goggles, put your stick in the welder, and the switch just turns on right there. Turning on the fan to cool it off goes right there, and you can adjust your adjust your power right here at the very top. It's an adjustment from 1 to 6 for your power levels. So let's check this thing out. And these goggles instantly darken whenever that spark happens. Just welded this bolt to here just to show a demonstration of how well it works. Well, I hope this helps you out.